I am humbly standing up in front of to you to deliver you about our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So let us start. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived in Makkah. When he lived in Makkah, our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam what he regarded as role model for millions of people around the world due to his exemplary character, leadership, and compassion. His life is a source of inspiration, emphasizing justice, mercy, patience, and honesty. He was known for his kindness towards all people, including the poor, orphans, and even those who oppose him. His message of monetism, equality, and morality transformed society and laid the foundation for one of the world major facts of Islam. Muslims take pride in this teaching, which promote peace, humanity, and pursuit of knowledge. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.